Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today we are revealing the other Spyder, if we can call it that. So today we will see the car, we will move it and keep it above the lift. By the end of the video you can tell me your suggestions, opinion about how I can convert it into an autocross slash track car, what I need to add, what I need to do. So for now, let's start this video. So this is the black lizard. So this is the Spyder. It's been covered for 1 year. Some slight work have been done while it's covered, like try to clean the headlight but no luck, still yellowish. We'll go just on a quick tour. Kept back the OEM radiator. Cleaned little bit here and there. Did some bleeding in order to start the project. So soft top is in good condition. Well, I won't show you the rear now, I'll show you the rear of the car later. So this is how it's looked from inside. I believe the camera is dirty, so this is how it looked from inside. So let us move the cards now. So we'll keep this here and this here. So let's take a look on the engine bay and let's see what work that I've already done. So what I did is I canceled the OEM box. This is how it used to look before. Okay, and so I canceled it. I kept a 3D printed intake pipe with a velocity stack cone filter. So there is a video, if you search for it on the channel you'll find it, on how I did the 2ZZ swap air filter. Relocated the battery here, so this battery can go here. I need 2 hands. So next thing will be getting rid of this Lexus IS. He told me, like previous guy, this is an ISF muffler. I'm not sure if it is. If you see the work here, and this is like a silica header manifold, and then they welded 1ZZ manifold, and so this thing will be all changed. So, and of course I removed the OEM crash bar because I will add something else. So this will be next for the unboxing video. So let's move the cars now. So you're wondering why the 350Z stock seat is here. That's because I remove it for track day. So hopefully the battery can start the car. It's like 4 or 5 years old battery. Yeah. Hopefully the battery can start the car, so let's see. Oh yeah! Car neutral. So I really wanted to fix the handbrake, so let me put this here for now. So the car is finally on the left. This is how it looks. It came with the TRD bumper, TRD side skirts, and of course the TRD rear lip. So I removed the rear bumper. It had the TRD lip as well, so I need to change this mess. Other than this, the car is in a good condition. Other than this exhaust system, I'm going to order, I guess, MWR2ZZ swap manifold. So after cleaning this mess is fixing the handbrake cable I need it for autocrossing. Stay tuned for next video where I'll do an opening for some boxes, packages, and then we will do this project together, a video after a video. So thank you for watching.